Once again, if you are just joining us, you are seeing live views from the Dragon spacecraft of the International Space Station as it continues its approach to the docking port. And on your screen right now, you see views from the International Space Station of Dragon getting into its path below the space station. The spacecraft in your view right now is flying just west of Peru. You can see the space station and Dragon getting closer and closer, with our views being spectacular right now. We are less than 4 minutes away from the Dragon craft being about 1,000 meters below the space station. Over the last several hours following liftoff, Dragon has continued to execute a series of burns, which have gradually raised its orbit to align more closely with the space station. We have a beautiful view, clear view of Dragon right over here. And if you see that beautiful view right in front of you right now, this is a view from Dragon of the International Space Station as Dragon.
Station Houston on space to ground 2. Dragon is transmitting docking camera video. Please confirm video and data updating in Dragon docking monitor.
Video confirmed.
The view that you can see on your screen right now is coming to you live from the Dragon spacecraft of the International Space Station. We are about 5 minutes away from the go, no-go pole for waypoint 1, which will get us to about 220 meters away from the space station. The Dragon Cargo Spacecraft will be docking to the forward port of Harmony on the space station, and the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft supplies cargo to the International Space Station under the NASA Commercial Resupply Services 2 contract. This is the 5th flight of this particular Dragon. It previously flew on CRS-31, 23, 25, and 28 cargo missions, with its most recent flight being in June 2023. We are now awaiting the vehicle to approach waypoint 1, which is about 220 meters below or directly in front of the docking port by the space station. Docking of the cargo spacecraft to the International Space Station is currently targeted for approximately 8:50 a.m. Central, 9:50 a.m. Eastern. And we are inside the 20-meter mark as we continue to approach for docking. Again, that docking will take place in less than 4 minutes from now.
Station Houston on space to ground 2 for Dragon. Dragon is on final approach and is go for docking. Monitor per steps 5 and 6 in 1.102. Dragon approach and retreat monitoring.
Station Wilco.
Ensures the interface is flush and allows the first set of 6 hooks followed by the second set of 6 hooks. This takes approximately 13 minutes. We are at 5 meters and nominal at this point, and we are approaching the crew handoff point in less than 30 seconds.
Station 2 meters hands off.
And there you heard the call out for the crew handoff point. We are less than 2 meters away from being perfectly aligned and docking to the International Space Station. We are standing by currently for contact and capture.
Station Houston, Dragon contact and soft capture complete.
Copy.
And there you heard it, contact and capture. Docking took place this morning at 8:52 a.m. Central Time, 9:52 a.m. Eastern, as the space station was flying over southeast Russia. The spacecraft will then stay docked to the orbiting lab for about a month before splashing down off the coast of Florida and returning that critical science and hardware to teams here on Earth. Again, thank you so much for joining us this morning as we follow the rendezvous and docking.
UPA fill drain valve is in the process position.
Once again, thank you for joining us this morning as we follow the rendezvous and docking of the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft for SpaceX's 31st commercial resupply mission for NASA to the International Space Station.